So we've made off of 5.4K in the last 28 days with this YouTube channel. If I go to the analytics, you're going to go ahead and see in the last 7 days alone, if you can flip and load and go ahead and refresh that. In the last 7 days alone, my internet is Russo. Not the best, but at least we're averaging at like $100 a day. And I'm not going to complain because this channel is completely automated with AI. So in this video, I am going to go ahead and show you how you can make these videos, how we're making these videos. Because it's really simple, right? So if you open the video and kind of like play through, I almost forgot to show you. I always get comment saying, oh, that's not USD. It is USD. It's not some crazy currency. So if we come over to the video and you just play through, you will understand something really quickly. My internet's really slow. I'm at a cafe right now, and I don't know why the internet is slow. But if you were to analyze a video, you start to understand there's two things that make the video, right? One, you have this guy that's going to be speaking. So you have this guy, and he's not real. He's an AI avatar. And in the video itself, that I guess stupid ad, but in the video itself, you will understand that it's just B-rolls. So all these are B-rolls that's telling the story, right? So these are just B-rolls, you know, showing, illustrating what he's speaking. All this is completely done by the video ideas, done by AI, the script done by AI. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can start entering niches like this without breaking the bank or without having to spend months and months to learn video editing. So first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to show you that this is not the only channel I run. This is also my channel. And it's following the same system of generating the videos with AI. This is a competitor channel. And the RPM of these niches is incredibly high. So you can make so much money from like one channel, right? Even if you're not posting that often. Because people search for the videos, like these videos get so many views because people are actively searching for them. Now, I am going to be honest, some of these niches are slightly risky, but at the same time, it rewards you a lot if you can actually execute, right? So I'm going to go ahead and show you what you want to do. So if you do want to essentially follow this tutorial properly, start with a pre-monetized channel. I always recommend this. A pre-monetized channel is already monetized. That means that you're not going to be making videos for months and months, working for free, paying for videos, and then, you know, you're not even monetized. So if you want to start with a pre-monetized channel, go to headstartchannels.com right here. So headstartchannels.com, go over there. The link's also going to be in the description, but it's headstartchannels.com. And this is where you're going to apply for a channel. I don't know why nothing is loading at the moment. Bro, you go ahead and apply for a channel, and if you get approved, you'll get a pre-monetized channel. And we'll also give you access to the niches like this that no one knows about, so you can start executing. And not just that, you're also going to have access to the AI pool that we're going to be using to make these videos today. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to go ahead and do, obviously, is go to the AI thing that we use. Now, obviously, I can't give this free for everyone. It's not free. It's what you get alongside Head Start channels. But I'm just trying to show my pipeline behind this channel, okay? So the pipeline is, obviously, you need to get your video ideas first. So you come over to the script studio. I'm going to refresh the page. You come over to the script studio. Now we need to go over here and pick the channel we want to copy, okay? So we're trying to do David Retires, right? So we're going to go ahead and copy the link. And we're going to come here, paste the link here. Now we're going to choose the number of videos we want to get from here that we want the AI to learn from, because it's the AI that's going to be writing our scripts. So we're going to choose like 25 videos, and now we're going to click fetch. All this is doing is getting scripts that it's going to learn from. The AI is going to learn from this. So essentially, it's going to use this one as bringing us new video ideas or writing titles for us. So let's just go ahead and wait for that to happen. And just like that, as you can see, it's done. It's giving us all the video data that we need. It's learned from it, and it's also saved it in this. And there's preset right here. So now whenever we need video ideas, we just come about to video ideas. We're going to choose a number of video ideas we want. So let's say 6 to 7 videos. Let's do 6 videos. Generate the video ideas. It takes a few seconds, this one. But then it's going to give us video ideas that we're going to use. Going to take a few moments here. But while we wait for that, let's go ahead and just get the thumbnail. Okay, let's get the thumbnail. Let me show you how we make our thumbnails. So we'll come over to the channel right here. We're going to take a screenshot, okay? So we're going to take a screenshot just like this. That's how the thumbnails look. We're going to come back to thumbnails here. Make sure to drag and drop this. All that's doing, it's going to land from how we make our thumbnails. And as soon as we get the video ideas, we're just going to have to put the video idea title here, and it's going to make our thumbnails. So we'll just wait for Claude to give us some video ideas. As you can see, it's giving us 6 video ideas. So I'm just going to choose the first one. Come with the titles, paste the video idea. Now it's going to generate some title ideas. So let's just wait for that to finish. It's done with the title. So let's choose. I'm just going to choose the first one, really. So I'm going to choose the first title here. We're going to come to the thumbnail, put it here. Let's say we want 4 thumbnails. Click generate thumbnail. Now we want to write the script. So let's put the video title. And as you can see, everything you need is in the exact same spot. You don't have to be all over the place. So now we just go ahead and paste the video idea here. Now we write the script. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to put this at 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and write this script right here. So let's click write script. This doesn't take very long. But as you can see, we have a video title. Let's see if our thumbnails are done. As you can see, our thumbnails are also done. As you can see, perfect thumbnail. If you don't know already, this nation's for the older demographic. So it also happens to know to include some old people here as well. When I go to Script Studio, you can see that our scripts are completely done. So I'm just going to copy the script. Go to Build Video. This is where the videos are made. I'm going to choose AI plus illustrations, and I'm going to paste this here. I'm not going to make the full video because I'm just teaching you how to do this, right? So anyway, avatar plus illustrations. Now let's choose what we want our avatar. Let's say a warm office, etc. So now you want to go over to HeyGen. So this is HeyGen. This is HeyGen. This provides those AI avatars, you know. So let's go to public here. Let's choose one that we want. Complete loads. Okay. Yeah, for the case of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose this guy. So I'm going to choose this guy, and I'm going to go ahead and click copy, identity, avatar identity. Then come back over, paste it here. Now go over to the voice ID, and then go to voices. So when we go to voices, we're going to go to the library. So it's going to load as well. I'm just going to use Ben for this. So if you don't know yet, this is the AI avatar. This is the person in the video. So if you don't be speaking, right? So we'll paste that there. Now this ratio dictates how much we see the person speaking. If you want more B-rolls, more illustrations, explaining the video, you can reduce this. If you want to see the avatar more, you can increase this. I'm just going to put like 0.3 for now, like 0.3-ish. I'm just going to put that. Leave everything else as is, and that's about it. I'm just going to go ahead and click Build Video. And so now we'll just wait for the video to generate, because now we have our thumbnail, by the way. We have our title. We have our script done. So all we have to do is to wait for the video to be generated, which is just taking a few seconds. So we're just going to wait for that, and we'll see how it does. Okay, and just like that, we can see that our video is done. So let's go ahead and watch it and see how it is. It's incredibly realistic. So HeyGen is really good at doing this. As you can see, he's moving his hands. Everything is moving and stuff like that. He's talking. But the part that's very important is the illustration. So let's go ahead and watch the video. So as you can see, these are really cool illustrations that it's using to dictate the video. And essentially, like these are B-rolls. These B-rolls are very important. As you can see, it's generated. It looks really, really clean, really good. This is what keeps your engagement up, and this is what makes you and keeps you monetizable. By the way, keep in mind, if we do want more B-rolls, we can just reduce this. But if we want to see the people more often, see the person, we'll just increase this right here. As you can see, but it's pretty much that straightforward. That's how we make these videos. You just add your captions on top. And yeah, that's how we make these videos. So if you want to go ahead and get started, start using the tool. If you have any questions, head over to Headstart Channels and apply. You can see all the beautiful testimonials we already have on there. But you can apply, and if you get accepted, you're going to get a pre-monetized channel. They're also going to get niches to select from that works, and vetted niches from us. And you're also going to get access to the AI tool that I just used to make the whole video. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you later.